So everyone knows about Chatgpt, and if you don't, you're literally living under a fucking rock. But everyone's just talking about it. See a bunch of content creators just making videos on how you can use this to make money, which is cool. Lots of information out there. However, today I'm actually showing you the systems that I've set up so I can get a bag off this shit. What's good? My name's Darius, and owner of Dopper Official LLC. Yeah, I don't have a fucking shirt on, bro. Get off my nuts. I live without a shirt, so don't hate. Now, today, I'm not just talking about some chat GPT bullshit. Today, I'm showing you the systems that I've set up for myself within a couple hours to have this program start generating me some revenue. This shit is not hard, so I'm literally just making a quick video so y'all can see what I'm on. I just got it up and posted, so this is going to be like a weekly occurrence video so I can always update you guys with the money that I'm making. But ultimately, the goal is try to scale this shit up to 10K a month, and I'll show you the different avenues I'm taking with ChatGPT to hit this goal. So we're gonna jump over to the computer, and I'm gonna show y'all what I'm on. All right, cool. So we made it over to the computer. Now I'm just gonna show you what I got set up to get this fucking bag in 2023. Now, obviously, we all know what ChatGPT is. I mean, if you're a real gangster, we're gonna put that bitch in dark mode though. But regardless, you already know what the sauce is, bro. We on Fiverr. We're on Fiverr posting our work as a freelancer, and we're gonna source all of this work using ChatGPT. So let me show you what I got set up so far. We're gonna go over here to my account. This is my account, and I have about seven. I have 7 posted right now. I'm literally gonna keep going with this shit. I'm gonna have at least like 50 posted, but this is what I got set up so far. And we're just gonna jump right into one so I can show you what the word is. So for example, this was the first one that I posted. Now what it is I mean, you can read it. I'll research and write an engaging script for your YouTube video because ChatGPT can do all this. I'm going under the assumption you already know what this shit is. However, the way that it's so easy to set up on Fiverr is because you can use ChatGPT to make your title, to make your description, to make the actual service packages that you're having. So you can really make all this shit. You can make one of these gigs 10, 15 minutes. The longest part is going to be this thing right here, the actual thing that you use, the thumbnail, I should say. Thumbnail is going to be the hardest part, but I'm going to show you exactly what I did for my thumbnail as well. Literally, I went to Canva and I made it all right here. I kept the same template background and the same picture for all of my different listings, and all I did was just change up this different editing, different wording. So as you can see right here, this is the one, my gig that I have set up to make people's YouTube scripts. Obviously, I have different package sizes, whatever, whatnot. But this one is for urgent essay writing because I have another one posted to write people's essays. And that's for, university students, high school students, whoever needs a fucking essay written. I can do that shit. I'm not going to be doing it. I'm going to send that shit over to fucking Chat GPT. But these are the gigs that I have posted. And let me show you just so you can actually have some practical fucking information to actually do it yourself if you think that's what you want to do. Because this is super easy. If somebody asks me for a fucking essay, I'm really going to take the prompt that they give me, put it in Chat GPT, whatever format they need, whatever sources they need, have that shit spit out in 10 minutes, bro. Now that's money in my pocket. Obviously, I have to start it off light. So the first package $5, $10, $15 for the YouTube script, just because I have to get my clients up, get my name established in the space so I can have more reoccurring clients. But let me show you what I actually did in order, or like when you're actually, creating your packages that people want to buy as well as your descriptions. So we go over to this window, and this is homepage of Fiverr. Now we don't really need that. So we're gonna go off that essay writing one that I had, that you saw that I made this one for, because this is the last one I actually did. Now you're really just gonna go off through all these. Pricing doesn't really matter on pricing because one, using ChatGPT, so you're not fucking doing anything. It's gonna be a 10-second job for me. So I'll charge $5 if the person want a 100-word thing, $10 if they want 600 words, and like $20 if they want like 2,000 words. Because I'm not doing any of that work, so I don't really care about the price right now. I really just got to get people to get my gig. So boom, first of all, prices don't really matter. But you want to start clicking on some of these people that are already in the space that you want to. For example, this lady, she's a Fiverr's choice, and she was one of the ladies I used as well because now I looked at her packages, see what wording is used, I guess, for these different freelancers. But then the biggest thing I'm using is her fucking description because I don't know I didn't know there was a Chicago research like format type shit. And so literally I took some of this, copy and pasted it in mine, but also I went to another lady, this is just another lady on here, 76 reviews, pretty reputable. And I took literally, I mean, you can see I had that shit highlighted already, bro. Like that's the part of her shit that I actually took out of it. Um, so it's not like I'm copying pasting her entire description onto my entire description. I'm taking bits and pieces from this lady, bits and pieces from that lady, bits and pieces from that dude, and putting it on mine, rewording it, making my own. And literally, what I actually had did, I took some of this. I took this little highlighted piece. I took this big piece from her, and I put both of those into Chat GPT. And I'm like, all right, now make me a custom original description for my freelancing service. So now I'm not plagiarizing any of their shit. I put it back into ChatGPT so it can make it all original for me. So boom, that's exactly what I did when it comes to the description, when it comes to the service itself, when it comes to the title, when it comes to the pricing and the combo packages. And then when it comes to this, I just use Canva, bro. Canva's fucking cheap. And I did this in 10 seconds. All I did was I took a picture that I have on my fucking Instagram. I took out the background, put it on a template that fucking uh Canva will provide for you, bro. And just did that. But I did this like I probably did like 5 different times so far with different thumbnails, different gigs, like different offers for people. And the way that I did this so fucking quick, it's like anybody can do this. And so that's why I'm sharing it right now because I'm going to use this and just continue to post gigs that I can fulfill the service through with Fiverr. And that's going to be updating you guys on. This is the very first day that I have it posted. It's going to go live here shortly, and we're going to start running up this fucking bag. So I'm going to try to keep it weekly updates so y'all can see how much money I'm making. Is this a reputable thing? But I mean, Fiverr is a real website that I've used before. I've had my account for a long time, bought a bunch of services on there already. So motherfuckers is making money. And I'm about to be one of them motherfuckers making money. So y'all need to subscribe to me. Y'all need to like my shit because I'm in the field making this bread. I'm in the field doing shit. If you want to watch these little rich ass YouTubers just telling you what to do, that's cool. Or you listen to me because I'm actually doing this shit. I'm in the field. I'm not rich yet, so I'm going to get rich with y'all. Now, that's the video I have for today, and I hope y'all enjoy. I'm going to keep updating y'all with this. So, peace out. Get your bag.